We're playing Subway Surfers. Okay. How do we go? Why? I was doing so good. Okay. Shoot! Yo! Okay, now why did that? Ooh, okay. Dude, there's no way I can do this. There's no way. There's no way I will be able to do that in real life. I mean, like, I wish you could do. I think there's a video called playing Subway Surfers on real life. Like somebody actually playing. Like actually, they just Subway Surfers. How are we going? Dang it! Oh my goodness, that was super close. What? Yeah. Oh gosh, there's no way. There's no way I can beat somebody's record. I can't beat anybody's record. Oh, one. I can't reach that high. Sorry, itching my back. This is not a face reveal. It's a face reveal to all people that are new. But if you're not new to me, then you've seen this face before. You've seen this face reveal. Now you've seen my face. You've seen my face. If you're new, this is my face, guys. But if you are... But if you're an old subscriber of me, you might have known my face for kind of a long time, I guess. Wait, is that a Target dog? Is that a Target dog? From the Florida Target store? Dang it. Dude, Listen up, kids. Listen up. me out of here. Dude, you see how unhappy I am?